Hello everyone, my name is Lenore Nolan Ryan and I'm here at Lenore's Table in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm going to make you a winter vegetable salad. Now, winter vegetables, it's a cool season where it's winter vegetable crop time and they just thrive. Greens like arugula, kale, mustard greens, and spinach. And vegetables like carrots, rutabaga, butternut squash, beets, and onions. They love the cool terra firma. And right here in South Florida, it's citrus time, so we're going to be throwing in some grapefruit in this delicious salad. So let me get you started. First, we're going to put in a little bit of wild rice because I think that can be so delicious in the winter, and it's healthy too. So I'm going to put about a cup of wild rice, and wild rice has about 24 grams of protein for every cup. Next, let's put in some butternut squash, really beautiful, golden color. I've got some red bell peppers, julienne, nice little matchsticks, beautiful red onion. Those are really pretty that I've roasted for about 20 minutes with just a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. And now these beautiful golden and red beets, like little beet jewels for our salad. Now, just for fun, I've got a little bit of pistachios. I love those. Some currants for sweetness, and some cranberries. Just a few, just to taste. And now some beautiful citrus, beautiful red ruby grapefruit. Okay, let's toss that together. There's really no rhyme or reason. You can put as much or as little as you like for each of these ingredients, and don't be afraid. Now, after we've tossed that, I've got a little bit of a mustard shallot vinaigrette that I'm just going to drizzle very lightly over the vegetables. That looks so beautiful, doesn't it? And it's so good for you. I could eat it just like that. And you can serve this salad warm or cold. Today we're serving it cold. Okay, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't need very much because the vegetables themselves are so delicious. And now for some spinach. Look how beautiful that looks, right? Here we go. Let's put just a couple handfuls of fresh spinach. Baby spinach. Toss it. I put the spinach in last so it doesn't wilt with all the weight of the other vegetables and with the dressing. Now let's put it on a plate. Just a little bit of everything. Doesn't that really look lovely? For me, I love a little goat cheese. So, just a little bit right on the top. Now let's taste it, shall we? Ruby red beets and beautiful grapefruit, butternut squash, spinach, red bell peppers, delicious wild rice, a nice dressing. Let's have a nice bite. Really good and good for you. Vibrant colors, vibrant health. Thanks for joining me.